Do you find it easy to connect with new people? Or do you see this as a really big challenge? Do you find it like a fun adventure to strike up a conversation with a stranger? Or is that something that you just never, ever do? Well, if you feel that way, I get it. A lot of people feel that way, and that's how it used to be for me. My name is Tony Estevez, and I've developed a set of really, really handy mindsets and super easy to use practical tools to help you build human connection and bring new opportunities, experiences, and people into your life. What would you be able to do if you felt comfortable and confident that every time you left the house, you could meet someone whenever you wanted to? Well, I can tell you from experience that it can be absolutely transformational. So I invite you to join me on this journey of discovery of human connection and how you can use these simple tools and techniques to create these interesting and transformational experiences for yourself.